today on sets has been even quirkier and weirder than before. We've done some good ads together, we've had some fun doing them, but this one is really taking it to another level. Sakita. So it's been great fun, and I'm really enjoying myself. I'm doing the dance and I'm running around trying to break down doors. I like the whole aspect of it being fun and colorful and a little mad at times. Fruity is actually part and parcel of all our childhoods. You know, it was the first drink that we were allowed to drink because it was healthy, safe, and yellow in color. And all moms said drinking mango is a really nice thing to do. So we had a lot of Fruity, and I'm actually quite honored and humbled by the fact that I'm an ambassador or the face for Fruity now. One of the protagonists, which is me, and then there's another little kid in the ad who leads the way. I need to follow the goat.
Follow the kid with the goat.
And when I follow the kid and the goat, which kind of stands for if you follow the child in yourself, you'll be able to live the Fruity life. Fruity life stands for being yourself, doing the stuff, not because everybody else is doing it, because you feel like doing it. If I want to get philosophical, normal is kind of lifeless. If you live by your fears, you'll never be able to do the things that you wish to do, and that is the most important thing in life. I think the song is really, really nice. It's no reason to compare, but I think it's the best Fruity song that has been used for advertising, and we've had some wonderful songs for Fruity. I like the whole aspect of it being fun and colorful and a little mad at times. It's being able to dance, sing, and just being quirky and the way you want to be. There's one life, and you got to live it the Fruity life. To everyone out there, live the Fruity life.
Chase the mango, choose the mango.
What? Fruity life? Sakita likita? Why not? Excuse me. Stop.
Do it, the mango, mango.
Live the Fruity life.